Mom, let's go.
Congratulations, hey! I mean, you did the right thing by saying yes. Huh? Now I'll update you on further processes over the phone. And don't worry about the brokerage. You can pay me after the deal is signed. Okay? Now I'll get going, huh? You guys are my friends now. See you, Niharika.
Love, I'm so happy. I'm super excited about this deal.
Same here, Niharika. And the entire credit for this goes to you. So, I have a good news for you.
Good news?
Yes, I got a cabin made at the office for you. You are a partner of the company, so you deserve to have your own cabin.
Wow, love, thank you.
Niharika, this is a big project. I cannot handle it by myself, so I need your help. From now on, you will have to take up many responsibilities of the company.
Of course, love. That goes without saying. I'm your business partner. Kush and I are always with you.
Niharika, I need to tell you something. Don't mind me. But I don't have many expectations from Kush. That is why all the decisions regarding this project will be made by both of us.
Thank you so much, love. By the way, do you remember? We only have time until tomorrow to arrange the money.
Don't worry. I have made arrangement for that. I have withdrawn all the cash from the company account. The paperwork for mortgaging the house is also done. We will receive that money in some time. And as far as the loan is concerned, I've already received the check. So in total, I have arranged 6 billion rupees. Once we sign this deal, all this money will be transferred to Mr. Singh's account. Niharika, we have put everything that we have at stake for this project. Now, if anything goes wrong, we would have to live on the streets.
Why are you thinking like that, sir? Just think that the profit from this project will take you to a great height.
We were waiting for you. Did you bring the papers?
Here you go, sir. Everything is ready. After I received your message, I sent one copy to Singh family too. The meeting is fixed tomorrow at 6 p.m. They will come over here. We will complete the formalities here itself.
Did you check all the papers?
Yes, sir.
If you have checked the papers, I need not read them. I trust you. See you tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Great. Well, you have to come tomorrow at 6 p.m. too. Along with the land papers, you need to attach the property papers very carefully that they cannot find out.
You need not worry, ma'am. There are many papers to be signed to make this deal absolutely final. I will attach the property papers along with those papers as well. The papers will mention that the properties belonging to Agarwal Industries is transferred to Amitabh Agarwal's name.
Tarun, thank you so much. How do I thank you? I don't understand. But if you ever need my help in your life, then you can always call me.
I know, madam. You aren't doing anything wrong. You are doing this so that someone gets whatever belongs to them. And I know Arjun sir too. He is a talented player. I want him to get out of these problems and make his career in badminton. That is why you are doing all this.
Tarun, I did not know you were so concerned about us. Once again, thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Finally, today is the day we had been waiting for all this while. I don't know why, but I can't focus on anything today. I have this strange fear. I did not even practice properly today.
Diya, I am also really scared.
Let's do that then. Diya, where's Mom? Isn't she ready? We'll get late. We have to reach Agarwal Mansion by 6 p.m. Where is Mom?
Arjun, Mom doesn't want to go with us.
She doesn't want to go. But why?
Arjun, Mom was already nervous, but ever she heard about Agarwal Mansion, she has become emotional. But that's all right, Arjun. We can handle this without Mom.
We can. But how? Mom is one of the 3 owners. We need her signature.
Arjun, we aren't selling land for real. So even if Mom doesn't sign the papers, it's fine. And anyway, we need Niharika and Love's signatures. And if they ask about Mom, we will say that she's not well and we will get her signatures and send them back. Right?
Yeah, well, that's fine. Let's do that then. We'll take Mom to that house only after throwing those 2 out.
Banu, have you prepared all the snacks?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Look, they've come from London after years. They might not get to eat these things there.
Yes, ma'am. Everything is
Oh,
ready.
okay. Hey, listen. Did you make masala tea as well?
Yes, ma'am. Everything is ready.
Okay, yeah.
Niharika, it's 6 p.m. They aren't here yet.
They will come, love. Didn't you hear them the other day? The traffic here troubles them. They must be stuck in traffic. They will be here soon.
Fine. Where is Kush?
I've sent him out for some work. Anyway, we don't need him here right now. We both have to sign the deal. Hey, Tarun is here.
Good evening, sir. Hello, ma'am.
It's good that you came on time. Is everything ready?
Yes, sir. Please take a look at these papers. I have prepared 2 sets. One is for you, and the other is for ma'am. And I also have a copy for the Singh family.
If you have checked it, I don't need to look at the details. And yeah, we both saw the soft copy that you mailed us.
Is everything in order?
Doubting you would mean doubting Mr. Lahiri. I don't want to get scolded by Mr. Lahiri for doubting your work. Everything is right.
Love, I was wondering if we should sign these papers before they come. I mean, it seems like this document consists of around 60 pages. Our work will be done by the time they come. Right, Tarun?
Right, Niharika. Tell us, Tarun, where do we have to sign? We'll start signing right away.
No. If they sign the papers now, I won't be able to attach the main property papers to it.
Why no?
Is there a problem?
No, ma'am, there is no problem. But people have trust issues. They could cause problems due to anything. So I think it would be best you signed the papers in their presence. By the way, if you don't want to wait, then we can carry on.
No, you are right. We will wait.
Who are you waiting for? Huh? You called us at 6 p.m. and we are at 6:15 p.m. Yes? Now see, being late in a few minutes isn't actually late in our country. Right, sir?
Please come. Welcome to our home. And this is Agarwal Mansion, our home.
I think you like our house.
Yes, it is beautiful. Your house reminds us of our house.
It seems like you had this house made with a lot of love.
Sure, but it's a little old-fashioned. But when you will come the next time, everything will be changed. I've also called an interior designer tomorrow. Hey. I don't see your mom. Is she on her way?
Last night she fell sick all of a sudden. So she came back to India after many years. You know how polluted the air here is. Also, the food doesn't suit her. That's why we didn't bring her along. That's okay though. After all the formalities are complete, we would take the papers to the hotel and we would get her signatures on them and send them to you. I hope you don't mind.
No? What's there to mind?
Right. You know, she fell sick. Now, what can we even do about it? Anyway,
Are we going to stand and do all the talking? Please come in, please.
Please be seated. Please.
Thank you. Thank you. I'm sorry. You might be thinking that we like to show off. We won't remove our sunglasses. Actually, in London, we are used to subtle lights. So these bright lights enter. It gives us a headache, you know. Migraine, you see, right? So we don't drop our attitude or remove the sunglasses.
Well, we can do the formalities later. Banu? You have come to our house for the first time. Please have something.
Thank you.
I've ordered these specially for you. You can start eating. Until then, you will get the advance payment transferred to your account.
oh, give me some sweets. Thank you. Thank you so much.
There, I got the message. The cash has been debited from our account. You will receive the credit in just a few more minutes. So shall we begin the formalities?
Well, love, I hope you didn't feel bad about what I said. Actually, my elders have taught me to be honest when it comes to business if I want to be happy. Perhaps that's the reason I raised my voice while we were negotiating.
You don't worry. I'm a businessman too. I know it runs by using the mind and not the heart. And in order to get the best deals, one has to talk like that. And something that isn't said from the heart cannot hurt the other person.
Oh, hello, Tarun. How are you? Okay, listen now. Let's do one thing. Until everyone eats, let's verify the papers. Yes? Come on. Come on, come on. And the papers are okay. They're okay.
Oh, well, I got the message saying that the money is credited.
So shall we begin the formalities?
Absolutely. There is nothing left to wait. Let's go for it.
Very good. Come on then. Well, Niharika, let's sign the papers. What's the matter, sir? Is there a mistake?
What happened, love? Any problem?
Yes, I made a mistake. I forgot to get my lucky pen from the office. I sign every deal with that pen. Today, for some reason, I forgot to bring it.
Now you both need to sign the papers. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, congratulations! Congratulations! I'm very happy with the decision of yours. Congratulations, love. Well, we can chat later. Let's talk about my brokerage, huh?
We will pay you. Let our guests leave first.
Sir, I should go with you only. I will take your mother's signature there and I will submit the papers tomorrow.
Right. We shall take your leave now. Mom is alone at the hotel. See you at the dinner tomorrow. Come on, let's go.
All right, Niharika, I'll get going. Well, sir, well, don't forget about my brokerage, yes?
I really can't believe this. Our plan truly succeeded. Diya, we just lit a spark today. Explosion will take place tomorrow.
Yes, Arjun. The real fun will start tomorrow. When Niharika and Love will find out the truth.
Diya, I just want to see their faces when they learn the truth.
Mom? Mom, please come. Mom, you know what? Didn't I tell you that Lord would definitely help us? He said everything straight.
What do you mean?
It means that Love and Niharika have signed the papers.
Mom, what belonged to Dad and you will be yours again.
Yes, Mom. It's only a matter of one night. After that, all of us will go back to our home.
Really? You? Are you telling the truth, dear?
Yes, Mom. I'm telling the truth. Mom, we are done crying. Now we'll make them cry. Love took a loan of 6 billion rupees. Now let me see how he repays that loan with our business and a house. Now they'll have tears in their eyes.
Arjun sir, I'll go and inform Love sir that I took Mrs. Singh's signature.
Tarun, I don't know. I don't have words to thank you, but thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sir, I've always watched you play from far away. I had hoped to shake hands with you someday, but I never thought that I will get a hug from you. I should be the one thanking you, sir.
Tarun, Diya told me about you. You are very different. And she was right.
I'll get going, sir.
Mom, now legally everything belongs to Dad.
Yes, dear. Even a victory after family's defeat cannot bring you happiness. I'm really worried about Love. He is my son after all, right? I'm worried that maybe what if this debt becomes a threat to his life?
Mom, why do you think so much? Did they think about us? Then why should we? Mom, whatever they did, they will have to face the consequences of it now. It's time.
Arjun, Mom is right. We can't put them in harm's way. Arjun, you are angry right now. But if something happens to them tomorrow, you will get hurt the most. So we should repay the loan they took. But apart from that, they will not have any right over anything that belongs to Agarwal family. And that would be their biggest punishment.
All right. And I'm just thinking that Love and Niharika have no idea what they're going to face tomorrow.